Hello Stampers, I'm Dina Lanzendorf at Inkin' with Dink, and welcome to my Tip and Technique Tuesday. Today I decided what I was going to share with you is all of my swaps from a recent team event that I had. It is both card swaps and 3D swaps, and we do it with my team. Every month we get together at our monthly meeting, and every month we do a card swap, and then about every other month we do a 3D swap. So today I thought I would share them with you and also teach you a new technique of what I used on my swap. So are you ready? All right, so we're going to start today with the 3D swaps, just because they're kind of fun and there's not near as many of them. Okay, so this is a cute little box that I received. This is one of our 2x2 acrylic boxes. So it looks like it's designer series paper, but the designer series paper is actually on the inside of it, and it is an acrylic box that's super easy to put together. And she just very nicely fit the squares in the stripe or the strip of designer series paper to fill it in. And look, it holds yummy Halloween candy. Very exciting. And it says give thanks. So super cute. I also have this absolutely adorable gingerbread house. I love it and the way it turned out. And I know this one's by Diane because I remember talking with her about it. And she did a fabulous job doing the watercoloring on it. And she actually embossed the front. There are dies to coordinate with it, so you don't have to worry about trying to hand cut it out. But it just made an adorable little box. I also have this fun box that holds the... Ooh, and I have a hard time saying this. Ferrero Rocher, one of those funny things, those candies, that's the hazelnut. But this was such a cute box and such a great size for holding these. And I believe Julie is the one that did this. But I love the little doily on top. And I just thought it was a super cute box. Thanks, Julie. We also have this fun little turkey, and I thought it was super cute too, and it is holding a Hershey nugget, but what a fun way or a fun thing to do for place settings and stuff at your Thanksgiving table. Have this cute little triangle box that actually opens like that. It has a magnet in it, and then there's no adhesive, so it's just kind of opens like that all the way. But I thought it was a super cute box, and I love that it has a magnetic closure on it. So such a fun thing. I need to find out how to do that. And then the one that I made is this little pumpkin or jack-o'-lantern that holds Hershey's Kisses. And it was actually a pattern that I purchased from Brenda Quintana. But I just thought it was so adorable. I thought it would be a really cute 3D project. And then the final one that we received is this bag, this cute bag that holds cards. And actually I put all my swap cards in it as an easy way to get them home safely. But it's the perfect size bag to hold cards. But I just thought it was cute. And of course I love this designer series paper. It's wonderful. All right, so now we are ready for the cards that we received in our card swap. So our theme was Christmas cards, which, you know, great time of year for it. We all need ideas for Christmas cards. So let's see what we got. So this fun card, I love it because I love this stamp that has all the characters on it. And it's really cute. She put some of the crystal effects on a few of the spots, and then she also used some of our enamel dots. So such a cute card, and that was by Katie. And this beautiful card, lot of work, super cute. Sandy made this one, I know, because I remember it. And cute bow on it, and it's just a beautiful card. She did a great job. Thanks, Sandy. And then this fun card, this is a fun technique that I've been meaning to get to and to try, and we'll have to do a video on it. But this is using the buffalo check, where she actually stamped it, it looks like, and then cut out the reindeer, and then put it on the card. But doesn't that just look fabulous? So much farmhouse, which is so in right now, but just a really super cute card. And this fun card uses the Christmas tree set, and this also uses the cute stamp set, or this is actually the paper. This is the paper in the paper pack that has the gingham look to it. I love this plaid paper pack. The whole suite is just beautiful and makes really beautiful cards. And then she put the ribbon behind it that has the gold edge on it. So super cute, nice little touch. I like that. And that was by Sheila. And this cute card is a shaker card. Okay, a snowman shaker card. Love it, but I love shaker cards. They're always so much fun to do, and really they're not hard to do at all. But isn't it fun? And this one's by Sherry. Cute card, Sherry. And here is another one using the plaid suite, and she did it's pop-up Christmas tree. So it kind of gives it a little pop. She just punched them out of the paper and then did the coordinating strip in the middle. That's super cute. And then she even punched out a tree for inside. Cute, cute, cute. Love it. And notice right up here, it looks like they're either the metallic, and on here too, they're either the metallic ones or she's colored pearls with the blends. And this pretty card with the ornament on it, love it. She has embossed it and then colored it with markers. So cute. And that's by Deborah. Pretty card, Deborah. And another one of the plaid. I just love the plaid. She actually looks like she did the paper or the background, and then it's out of squares or just 2 strips of the plaid paper. It's like she put it on a piece of cardstock and then ran it through the embossing folder. So I don't know if you can see it or not, but that's actually the background is embossed. Super cute. Love it. And that was by Lynn. And here is a card using this little elf. This elf set has just been super, super popular. And it makes such cute cards. I really like it. And this one was by Dana. And there's a pretty card. It's very simple, but it's very elegant. I like it. I like the way she put the silver piece behind it. Very nice. That was by Julie. And then this is the one that I made. And actually what I used, you probably haven't seen this suite very much, but what I use is the kit that's in the holiday catalog. And let me show you where it's at on here. So it's actually on page 39 in the holiday catalog, and it is our product medley or our kit. And it actually, when you purchase it, it comes with tons and tons and tons of stuff. So you can see on here, it comes with an 11-piece stamp set right here, 48 sheets of 6x6 designer series paper, which is beautiful paper. It comes with 8 double-sided designs, okay, with the paper. There are 12 gold foil card fronts, okay, with it. 7 sticker sheets. So the sticker sheets are really pretty because they have the trees on them, they have reindeer, they have candy canes and holly. They're beautiful. 10 yards of the trim, okay, which is what I put right back here. So 10 yards of that. And then you get the faceted stars, okay, which are self-adhesive like that. So that is what I used. I just sat down with the kit, and the great part about the kit, there's no instructions or anything like that, but you just get to sit down and create. You just get to do whatever you want to do. So it's hard, of course, to start, but then once you get going, the ideas just really start flowing. But the hardest part is just to get started. But I thought this turned out super cute. I was very happy with it. But I want to show you a little trick or a tip about this right here. Now, do you remember seeing this punch right here? No, because we do not have a punch like that. But this was actually too long to fit the label punch that we do have, and I didn't want a big old label on it. I just wanted something small across here, and I miss our word window that we used to have. So I decided I would create my own. So let me show you how I did it. So I actually took nope, not the one I took. I actually took this one, the Everyday Label Punch, okay? And I just took a piece of cardstock and I punched it out, okay? And then what I did is I just took my scissors, and see this little bit in the middle here that circles out? I'm just going to take it and go from one to the other, just like that, in a straight line. And then again, I'm just going to go from one side straight across to the other. And that's what gives you that shape like that. So it's really nice if you've got words that are just a little too long for the everyday label punch that we have. If you just want something a little bigger, a little more substantial, okay? So that was using the everyday label punch, okay? So I also discovered you can do it with this one too, the pretty label punch. So it's the same basic thing. You just need to take a piece of cardstock. Okay, punch it out. And then it has its area in the middle, okay, that's round on both ends. And you're just going to cut from one side straight across to the other, and one side straight across to the other. So that one's a little bigger of a piece, okay? So depending on what size you need, how big your words are, that will give you an idea of which one of these you need. But I just kind of thought it was a fun way to have a different size of a punched shape if you just want to add some words and not a real big label. So there you go. So I hope you have enjoyed looking at all of my swaps. I hope you have enjoyed this cute little technique or tip that I have given you for making your little punched shapes for your words to go on. Sometimes it's easier too if you want to stamp it first and then center it in between the rounded edges of the punch. Or sometimes people think it's easier to punch it out first and then do your stamping. So just whichever is best for you. Please share my video. I do this as a full-time job, and when you share my video or you love it or give it a thumbs up or things like that, that just kind of tells me that you're enjoying what I'm doing and will just encourage me to keep doing more so that I know it's actually benefiting someone. So if you could do that for me, I would appreciate it, and I will see you later.